Sony China Co., Limited, has recently launched the Cineal Tab. Known internationally as Burano, a groundbreaking addition to the Cine Alta series. This 8K full-frame cinema camera is designed to meet the diverse needs of the film industry. From major motion pictures to documentaries, variety shows, and commercials. Here's a closer look at what makes the Cineal Tab a game-changer in cinematography. The Cineal Tab's key feature is its 8.6 full-frame sensor, offering unparalleled high-resolution imaging and exceptional visual quality. This sensor is a boon for cinematographers seeking to capture the finest details in their visuals. Adding to its versatility, the camera boasts dual native ISO settings of 800 and 3200, along with a broad 16-stop latitude. This combination ensures outstanding performance in various lighting conditions, capturing every nuance of the scene. Flexibility is at the heart of the Cineal Tab's design. It supports both full-frame and Super 35mm formats, allowing for various shooting modes. Users can shoot in up to 8000 at 3op, 6K at 6op, or 4000 at 120op, accommodating a wide range of anamorphic widescreen movie lenses. This adaptability makes it suitable for a variety of cinematic projects. One of the most innovative features of the Cineal Tab is its eye-power autofocus. Equipped with an AI smart chip, the camera offers fast hybrid autofocus with independent subject recognition. This is particularly useful for capturing high-speed moving subjects, ensuring that every frame is in perfect focus. The camera also includes an electronic variable ND filter, ranging from 0.3 to 2.4. This feature allows for seamless exposure control in different lighting conditions, eliminating the need for external filters. It also supports exposure control during lens replacement, maintaining the depth of field. In terms of lens compatibility, the Cineal Tab is versatile, supporting both place lens mount and E-mount lens groups. Its design, featuring a thinner electronic variable ND filter and an optical anti-shake structure, results in a more compact and ergonomic body, enhancing the user experience. The Sony Cineal Tab is available for purchase on Sony's official website. The standalone camera is priced at 200,000 yuan, approximately $28,000, while a package including Sony CBG1920TN and CBG960T memory cards and the GPVR10 multifunction control handle is available for 220,000 yuan, around $30,894. In conclusion, the Sony Cineal Tab represents a significant leap forward in cinematography technology. With its high-resolution imaging, intelligent autofocus, and ergonomic design, it stands out as a top choice for professionals in various cinematic fields.